Welcome to our video demo for the RAF Score Analysis Tool for prospective coding reviews. This tool is web-based and designed for medical coders and provider organizations to select potential high-value charts and diagnosis codes for physician reviews and clinical document improvement for risk adjustment. It doesn't require PHI data. To get started, you need to go to the risk adjustment option, and there you can see many different options. Then you can find more options for HCC RAF Score Analysis Tools. You can start by accessing the tool on our website, where you can have free daily hits without signing up. On this page, you will encounter various types of risk models and corresponding risk factors to choose from. These models include CMS-HCC, RX-HCC, and ESRD, while the list of risk factors varies and depends on the model you choose. According to your requirements, you can opt for any of these options. The subsequent step involves selecting the gender and age, providing you with a range extending up to 120. Once these parameters are set, the next action requires you to add diagnosis codes to proceed. You can include up to 50 diagnosis codes, separating them with commas. When the focus of the mouse is taken out of the text box for diagnosis codes, you will see the table at the bottom auto-populates with ICD codes, validation flags, HCC values, diagnosis descriptions, and record deletion. You can scroll through the validation flag column for each diagnosis code to select one of the validation flags: build, missed, or new. Diagnosis codes processed in the current year are flagged as build, while codes with meet missed earlier but identified during the prospective review are marked as missed. The new is applied to diagnosis codes recommended by medical coders based on lab results, radiology reports, and other clinical indicators. Also, the option to delete records exists if you wish to exclude them. The last row offers a Type to Add feature, allowing you to add more diagnosis codes. After ensuring that all details are entered correctly and reviewing them, you will find a Submit button below to generate the Revenue Impact Analysis Report. Revenue Impact Analysis Report is nothing but a report that gives the comparative view of RAF score and Medicare Advantage payment for build, build plus missed, and build plus missed plus new. It provides risk insights into your Medicare Advantage payment to decide if the chart should be sent for clinical document improvement or dropped. It also provides which diagnosis codes or HCCs should be prioritized. Located at the top right of the page, you can conveniently download the report in PDF format. Efficiently use physician time by sending only high-value charts and diagnosis codes. Certainly, physicians will start trusting CDI recommendations from medical coders and will act on them. For further information about the tool and access, you can do the same as described on our website, www.npidataservices.com.